Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Happy New Year's. Have that coming right up. Happy New Year's, everyone. I wanted to wish each and every one of my subscribers and viewers a very happy New Year. I want to thank all of you, Valerie, and I want to thank all of you for your support during 2018. You made it an incredible year. We had tremendous growth this year, and it's all because of you guys. You guys continue to drive me to do great content. One of my resolutions is to make sure that I amp that up even more and make sure you guys always get great quality content out there. Thank you all again for all you do for me. You encourage me, you give me support. Your wonderful comments are outstanding. I can't thank you guys enough. And Valerie as well. She is just ecstatic with the support that we have received here at the channel. So again, I want to wish everybody a very happy, healthy, and prosperous 2019. Hope you have a great year. Hope you get some drones in 2019. We got a lot of great things coming up on BillTheDroneReviewer, so stay tuned for that. And also, got a question for you, okay? I'm going to tell you my resolution. My question of the day, what's your resolution, okay? My resolution is to exercise my mind, my body, and my spirit. My question of the day, what's your resolution? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly. Happy New Year's!